Hello all the investors and the traders of the stock market. I am Preeti Sharma. Welcome you all to this channel called Indian Stock Market by PC Sharma and Preeti Sharma. So in this channel you are going to see a lot of information that is related to the stock market, the currency market, the financial markets of India overall. Also we are going to give you the details about the new economic policies that are adopted by the government and also the economic conditions of the country as a whole. Also, we are going to come live to this channel on 2 days a week, so you can watch us twice a week on Sunday and Wednesday. And today, also, if you want help via newspaper, we are available on daily and weekly newspaper, that is e-newspaper by ShareBazaar. So we call it ShareBazaar e-newspaper daily and weekly. If you want to subscribe to that and get more information about lots of stock and different segments of the market, you can definitely subscribe to us. And for more information, you can click on the numbers given in the description box as WhatsApp numbers. You can contact us via there, and also you can go to the pcsharma.in for more details on this matter. So today we are going to tell you about the Nifty indexes that are going really bad, and you can say that is quite a downtrend right now. And the nature of the indexes of all the Nifty indexes, Bank Nifty indexes, NSE, BSE, all are nearly downtrend because market is now currently falling at a horrible level. And also we must tell that the Nifty might take a support because there is a possibility that Nifty is not confirmed downtrend, and in that case the support will be at 13131 level, and if that level breaks, then that is, we can confirmly tell that it is a downtrend. Also, you on this kind of situation, you can take the rise on sale policy. When the market is falling, we can adopt such policies like rise on sale policy, and when the market is going high, we can go with the deep on buy policy. So now I will suggest all you guys to go with the rise on sale policy at the current levels. And also I would suggest you to wait for the finance budget that is going to come on 1st of Feb to 2021 for the year of 2021 to 2022. Also I would say that because you must wait, because the year that we have passed on 2020, that has been quite unprecedented. And also the fact was that the things and the economic and the financial things were such out of control for both for the government and for the in lower income group and the middle class group, because you see these kind of things are just out of control. No one has control over them. There was no possibility. We have thought that there would be a lockdown, or we have seen the GDP to slow down. It's very natural for the GDP to slow down, right? Because everything was shut off and then the GDP had to slow down. So there can be a huge possible changes that the finance ministry would take up at this time. And for that I would definitely suggest that you should wait for the budget to be presented. And also I would say that there will be a revival of the economy, and there will be a possible try to revive the economy and make the government would definitely try to spend some money on the economy so that the economical revival is possible. Also, if you want to trade right now, I would suggest currently don't take huge risks right now, because it's not a very good idea to take risk right now, because the market is quite volatile in itself and it's not really stable. So in this case, the possibility of getting huge losses and incurring huge losses is quite high. So it's better you should wait till at least till the budget, which is just on the Monday. And also if you see the budget, you will get an idea of in what stocks and what type of investments you should make for medium term and long term. In case of intraday, I would suggest please give a check on what you are investing in, because it's really important so that you don't incur losses after such a bad year, financially bad year. And also if you want to look on one share right now, I would definitely suggest you should look on Biocon, because this share, I'm sure that this share is going to break a level, and you will currently it's trading at the last close was nearly 377, and the next thing that you can do is you keep an eye on this share, and you can trade it at you can buy it at 324 to 326 level. And I definitely feel that this level is going to come, because the technical analysis and the charts are speaking kind of that thing. So you can definitely look on that. So I would suggest few more names of the companies and the shares that you might look into in the next video. So make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such updates, and definitely don't miss a video on that. So how did you like the video? Please make sure you comment and give your feedbacks. And if you have any doubts regarding any share, any stock at any level or any segment of the market, you can definitely ask us via the comment section. So make sure you definitely do that, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out all the details given in the description box for more such updates. Till then, bye and have a good day. I am Preeti Sudha Sharma signing off for today. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day.